If your credit score is quietly costing you a house, a car, or a shot at the life you want, here's what you need to know fast. The credit bureaus aren't on your side. Collectors aren't on your side. Every month, millions of Americans get hit with errors, outdated accounts, and debts that were never legally verified, and the system counts on you not knowing the rules. CreditShield Academy is where you stop guessing and start knowing. Step-by-step courses built by people who've won these fights, teaching you exactly how the bureaus, lenders, and collectors actually operate and the laws they have to follow. Understand your rights under the FCRA, FDCPA, and CROA. Learn how to dispute inaccurate items, demand verification, and handle collector calls. Get the scripts, the letter templates, and the strategy, all in one place. Ready to go further? Upgrade to Premium, and you unlock everything. Advanced playbooks, live coaching, and something no other academy gives you. The Fortress tier of the CreditShield app included free. Fortress is your AI-powered credit defense system. It reads your reports, flags violations across 6+ consumer protection laws, and generates dispute letters and collector responses on demand, tailored to your situation, grounded in the actual statute. That means inaccurate items challenged the right way, collectors held to the letter of the law, and a clear, repeatable system you actually control, instead of paying someone $99 a month to do the bare minimum. Head to go.creditshield.app/academy and join Premium today. Your fortress is waiting.